In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the HoneyBook projects layout. If you're looking to organize your projects in a way that best fits your workflow, you've come to the right place. Stick with me as I guide you through this process, ensuring your projects are set up just the way you need them. First, you'll want to navigate to the project section within your HoneyBook account. This is where all the magic happens. The projects area is your central hub for overseeing the various stages your projects go through from inception to completion. When you find yourself at this stage, you'll see a button labeled Customize Pipeline in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the pipeline customization options, which are designed to provide you with flexibility and control over how you visualize your project flow. Now let's dive into modifying the stages to tailor them to your specific needs. You can add new stages if your workflow requires more detailed breakdowns of tasks or phases. Maybe your projects would benefit from a stage focused specifically on client feedback or internal review. Feel free to add them. On the flip side, if there are stages that seem superfluous to your process, you can easily remove those. HoneyBook gives you the autonomy to streamline your pipeline, ensuring that you're not bogged down with unnecessary steps. Additionally, renaming stages is straightforward and can be particularly useful for clarity and personal reference. Perhaps what HoneyBook calls completed might work better for you as finalized or wrapped up. Customizing the names of these stages can help ensure that everyone on your team is on the same page and that the project flow resonates with your company's vernacular. Once you've configured everything to your liking, you'll want to make sure all those changes stick. Locate and click the Save button, usually found near the area where you made your customizations. By saving, you confirm that the alterations you've made to the project layout are applied. You should see the project layout update almost immediately. It's a simple step, but an essential one to lock in your new customized setup. And there you have it. Changing the HoneyBook project's layout allows you to elevate your project management process, making your workflow more intuitive and aligned with how you do business. It's all about enhancing your efficiency and clarity. Don't forget, you can always revisit these settings if you need further adjustments as your projects evolve. Thanks for tuning in today. Stay organized and keep those projects moving seamlessly.